I started working with glass in 2004 with a tiny little kiln literally about this big, making fused glass pieces, and they were beautiful. And as fate would have it, in 2006, I was in a very dear friend of mine's wedding, and it just happened to be in Italy. And after traveling around Italy a little bit and making my way over to Murano and seeing the beautiful glass and the chandeliers and the lighting there, that's what really inspired me. And the light bulb went off. I know that sounds kind of funny, but it's true. But the light bulb did go off, and I said, we just don't see this at home. And when I came back, I had a vision, and I didn't know how I was going to get from where I was to where we are today. But we started in it. We went down that road, and I just had this passion that I wanted to bring beautiful colors into lighting fixtures, because when you look around at what's in so many homes and restaurants and buildings, it's just frosted white glass and doesn't have any character. So everything we do is happy and fun, and it's about color, and it's alive, and so that's how we got started in the lighting business. It's how Primo Glass has evolved.